Hey everyone, welcome to the webinar. We're going to go ahead and get started with the session for today. Thank you all for coming out. We really appreciate it, taking time out of your schedule to learn and listen to our webinar that we have for you guys today. So today we are going to be going over a few different things. Two big things to be exact. We're going to be going over basically number one is how to use xSocial. So xSocial is one facet of the platform that is very, very, very useful for individuals looking to essentially diversify their portfolio, if you will. It's very simple to use. It's not too overly complicated. XStation has a very fantastic method of like really, really making it simple for individuals to check it out and look and trade and follow players. So we're going to show you guys essentially how to do that. We're going to show you what xSocial really is, and we're also going to basically show you basically what to look out for when it comes to traders on the xSocial platform. We're also going to be going over in detail a couple traders that we've highlighted before. One in particular that we consistently recommend on a day-to-day basis that we would like you guys to go ahead and go check out after. We're not going to get too into xSocial today, but the individuals that can get into it with you with xSocial are your account reps. So your account reps are more than willing to go into xSocial with you. They are going to be able to talk to you about why a trader does this or that, why you should follow this particular trader, and why it will help you at the end of the day with your particular account balance. It's always going to be different based on your account balance, what trader you should follow. We always recommend having a higher amount in your account balance if you're looking to go onto xSocial. If you start with a smaller amount and you go into xSocial, it's going to be very tricky. Starting with a higher amount always means greater profit potentials if you're looking to trade on xSocial. We're then going to show you guys how to use the mobile platform, the xMobile platform, and basically go from there. So what we're really looking to have you guys all obviously learn with this webinar is how to day trade with a busy schedule, and that's really what xSocial and xMobile does for you. It allows you to continually be making trades throughout the day, no matter what you do. It's very, very simple. Almost everybody in the world has a mobile device, and most of those people have the ability on their mobile device to download applications. And if you can do that, you can trade. You can trade anywhere you want. As long as you're getting some sort of a data plan, you can trade any time of the day. That's the glory of the currency market, is it doesn't matter if the stock market's open or not, the currencies are always changing, even on weekends. Even on weekends, you can trade it. It might not move too much on weekends, but it's still moving, and it gives you the ability to trade it. So that is xMobile, and xSocial basically allows you to take one step even further away from that, which is have other individuals trade on your behalf throughout the day. So that is the two ways you can really manage your time. And it's super annoying whenever I hear individuals come to me, and the reason that they give me for not participating and not trading and not getting into it with Currency House is that they don't have time. I understand that you might think that, but at the end of the day, that's about 90% or maybe 85% of the traders on our platform have day jobs. They have busy day jobs, and still they manage to find time and trade and profit. The reason that you're saying that is most of the time you just don't think you're ready. There's another excuse. I always know that there's something else going on when people tell me, I'm just worried I won't have the time. I just won't have the time to do it. It's not true. If you want to make profit and you want to make money and you want to make an investment in your life, you have time, and it's very simple. These are the two things that is really going to help you. Right away, your account reps will be able to get you all the material you need to start trading right away. That's very simple. We can do that right away as soon as you create an account. And then the next step is understanding how to use it with xMobile and xSocial. Once you do that and you can get a trader following, you can follow a trader, the trader will make trades on your behalf, and we'll show you what that means in just a second. They'll start making you profit. At the same time, you can consistently, no matter where you are in the world or what you're doing, check your mobile phone and trade with the trends. And we're going to show you guys exactly how to do that. It's going to be a kind of a 1-2 punch. That's going to be very, very effective for your account balance and won't eat up too much of your time. Okay, guys? If you're playing Pokemon Go right now, you can take that time and trade on xMobile, okay? It's a way better use of your time and money. So we're going to show you guys how simple it is to do that. Okay, so what is xSocial? Well, xSocial is basically the amalgamation of the social, side of the world. So what I'm saying by that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, blah blah blah. That is amalgamated into trading. So that is a kind of it's a new way of trading. And if you ever see the taglines for social trading, not too many brokers do it. It's always join the social trading revolution, because it truly is a revolution. It's a new way of thinking about something. It's a new way of trading, and that's why it's one of the facets of the platform that you can use with Currency House. It's not integrated into the Forex side of the trading. It's a totally different trading. It's almost categorized as binary option trading because it's totally different. But it's gaining more and more traction. There's a way of doing it. There's a science behind it. You can get really good at it and understand it and use it effectively. Drop players out, have a massive portfolio of traders trading on your behalf from all around the world. It's a different way of thinking about trading. And it's all available to you if you start trading with us. So that's basically what it is. It's the fact that you can see every single trader from around the world currently that's using the xStation. So really what it is at its core is it's the ability to see every single trader using the xStation from around the world. That's really what it is at its core. So you can basically have a massive, massive, massive sheet with all of these players on it. So that's what we have available for you guys. After that, because we have all these players available for you, we also give you the ability to look at the players. So see their profiles, what they're trading, how they're doing. Then you have the ability to rank the traders based on how they're doing. Then you can see the top traders in the game. So their overall profit, their overall trades they've made, their average profit, their overall equity, their overall account balance. You can then sort all the traders through that. Once you have that, and now that you know who the top traders in the game are, xSocial also provides you the ability to copy those traders. So if you're copying a trader, you place the same trades that that trader makes, meaning that if that trader creates a profitable trade, you also create a profitable trade. So if that trader trades gold and you're following this trader, you also trade gold. If that trader makes a short sell on oil, you too make a short sell on oil. So you profit when that trader profits on whatever commodity, currency, index, ETF, CFD they choose to trade. You also trade. So it almost sounds too good to be true, and it isn't. That basically is what it is at its core. If you guys, this is basically the social hub right here that you can see. So obviously, I'll point out a few things that should pop out right away. It might seem a little bit confusing to individuals that have never seen this before, but it's very, very simple. It just breaks down into 4 different boxes that you can see here. Box 1, Box 2, Box 3, and Box 4. So we'll examine each one in turn, so it's a little bit easier for you guys to break it down and see how easy it is. So at the first point, let's go to basics. Look on the left-hand side here. So you're going to see these 4 options right here, okay? XStore, Options, Social, and Forex. Forex is foreign exchange trading in short, but it's the ability to trade anything, go long, go short on any sort of instrument in the game. Okay? Remember when I was saying that social trading is a different entity? That's why it's not grouped into Forex trading. This is what I meant. It's beside it. It's social trading. It's totally different entity. And then the next is binary options. So all of those things are available to you. Social trading, Forex trading, options trading, all those different trading methods are available to you once you start trading on the xStation. But the amazing thing is that it groups into one account balance. So when you make a deposit, you get an account balance. You can use that account balance for any trading platform that you want. You can use it for options. You can use it for social. You can use it for Forex. It's really up to you. xStore, if you guys were following and wondering what that is, that's just basically applications that you can add on to your platform to basically have a trade on your behalf. A little bit more pro in nature. It's not worth getting into right now. So that's basically what we're looking at right now. So what happens on xSocial? A lot of individuals, when they use something like MetaTrader 4, they use things called expert advisors. So whenever individuals come onto social, they immediately get rid of their expert advisors, which are basically like trading robots, and start using xSocial. That's what we always say when we pitch xSocial to individuals. It puts the human approach of it back into trading, because you're not trading your robot, you're actually trading with a trader. So you have the ability to rank these traders with, you can see these things right here, trades, equity, profit, and then once you copy a trader, every trade they make is on your behalf. So this is the X hub right here. This is when you can rank all the traders in the game, this first box right here. You can see their winning percentage, you can see their profit, their equity, their trades, their drawdown that they're willing to go to, what country where they're from, their trader name. This is the demo account, so it's just coming out trader number, but in the live scenario, it would actually be their nicknames. Once you see a trader that you like, you simply click on that trader and their portfolio comes up. So that's box number 2. Simple again, right? This is just the trader portfolio, so you can see an even bigger breakdown of the trader. This is basically, if you will, it's their Facebook page, okay? They make it very simple like that. This is the trader's basically social trading page. You can see their profile and everything like that, okay? So this is their profile, so you can see profit in pips, average profit, trade numbers, max drawdown. You can see when they maybe started catching their stride, all of that stuff. And then once you press provider history, you can actually see what they've traded. So are they using currencies? Are they using stocks? Are they using commodities? All of that is available to you. Once you find a trader that you like, you simply click the copy icon right here. Once you click the copy icon, you're going to have a couple more boxes asking you if you want to marginally copy the trader, which we always recommend for traders with a smaller account balance. Again, that's something you can get into with your account manager because it's going to really depend on your account balance. So once you do that, you will see the trader come up in your trader portfolio here in box number 3. Okay, these are all the traders that you're currently copying. This is when you have the ability to enable, disable, modify, kick out, fire any traders that you want that aren't doing it for you, that aren't creating enough profit for you. Over here on the left-hand side, these are the trades that those traders currently have open. So you can see which ones are profitable, which ones aren't profitable. You can see that my trades, I'm currently up 613 US right now with my traders, okay? So that's a very simple breakdown, guys. Those are all the boxes for it. It should be very simple stuff at this point. Once you find a trader you like, you can check out his portfolio and his profile. Simply click copy. Once you copy a trader, they're going to come up in your specific trader portfolio right here, and these are the trades they currently have open. And that's it. That's xSocial. So once you start using it, you're going to have the ability to talk with your account manager in regards to how you should marginally copy a trader. So that's extremely important. And obviously, when you start trading xSocial, make sure to contact your account rep and maybe get a bit of a rundown in regards to maybe a trader that you should think about following. A really good one is Trader Hero from Switzerland, H-E-R-O from Switzerland. We always recommend him or her. We don't know if it's a guy or a girl. Honestly, it could be a girl. We always recommend this trader because they are always correct. They have a 100% winning streak or very close to it. They basically get all their trades right. So what we always recommend is because the trader has a very, very large account balance, and most of you guys don't have as large of an account balance as this trader, you need to marginally copy the trader based on your own account balance. So that once you'll be able to go into it with your account rep, but just so you have it, you simply click on manually copy right here, this manual button, and just drag it down to 0.1 lots. And once you have that in place, you also adjust the number of total volume of open copy positions down to 0.1 or 0.2. So these are the two things that should be adjusted. Very simple stuff. Those are the two things that should be adjusted. Then you simply click OK. Once you clicked OK, you're good to go. The trader's in your portfolio, making trades on your behalf, making money for you. Then you're going to start making money. You don't even have to be at your computer or be on your cell phone to know that Trader Hero is back in Switzerland making tons of cash for you, okay? Because that's all he does all day, or she does all day. I imagine Hero's main area where he works is probably filled with 100 different monitors with 100 different commodities and currencies, because I don't understand how this trader has as good as a winning percentage as he or she does. So that is all you guys need to know. People have made money off Hero. I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's pretty simple. We always recommend Hero in the daily brief. It's always a good call, especially when the market is extremely risky and extremely volatile. We always recommend traders to make sure they're copying Hero, because it's basically guaranteed profit that you have once you start copying Hero. So that is the first tip, guys. That is basically how you make money without being home or being at your computer or doing anything. Hero will be making money for you at the end of the day. So there's step 1. Step 2 is downloading xMobile. So I really recommend individuals to right now take the time, go into iTunes, go into Google Play on your phone and download xMobile. It's very simple to do. It's totally free. You can take a couple seconds right now, just go onto your phone and go into your store and just download it, or at least try to search for it and have it open downloading in your background as you have this, because you're really going to want to download it. And I always have people after the webinar ask if I can go back to this screen because they need to download it because they didn't download it the first time. So take your time on your phone right now. I'm gonna leave you guys a couple seconds to basically right now go download the app. So go do that right now, guys. Okay, hopefully most of you have downloaded at this point, or at least are in the process of downloading it, because it's super important. Okay, guys, I encourage you to have your phones open at this time and follow through with me. That's the best way you can do it, because after this webinar, I want you guys to at least have the ability to go follow people on xSocial and start making some trades on your mobile device, because that's how we're going to make money here, especially if you have another day job right now. So this is the overall platform for xSocial. May seem, again, a little bit confusing, but it's super, super easy. The only kind of tricky part with it, and I say kind of because it's not that tricky, is creating a stop loss and a take profit on your mobile device. And that's really about it. But again, if you're consistently monitoring it on your mobile device, which is what I recommend, you don't even need to have a stop loss and a take profit. I'll go over it with you, but it's just kind of secondary in case you think you might want it. But that's about it. So in the cases that I'm about to show you, I did create a stop loss and a take profit, but it's just because I am like an old school trader and I always create a stop loss and a take profit just in case, as an absolute backup. But you guys don't need it, especially if you're trying to scalp the market like we did in this case. So this is the xStation platform, or sorry, xMobile platform. As soon as you open it up, you should be seeing basically one of these screens on the left-hand side or the middle here. These are the trading screens. So this is the Apple Watch that you can also link to your mobile device, so you can actually trade on your watch, which is super cool, futuristic. You can impress all your friends with how you're trading on your mobile device and how you're making money on your watch. So you don't even need your phone at the end of the day if you're at your job. You can just use your mobile watch, and you don't even need your phone. So you can just, if your boss is like, what are you doing? You can just say, oh, I'm checking the time. But really, you're making money on your watch. So who doesn't want to do that? So let's go into this right here. So I did a couple trades through this with my own phone, and took screenshots along the way so you guys can see it. So basically, the main thing that you want to do with your xMobile device is try to identify prevailing trends. The xMobile does a great job of having a small little snapshot of the overall instrument that you're looking at. In this particular one, we look at Euro USD, and then we check out the DE30, which is the German stock index. So really good, really quick moving currencies and instruments. I definitely recommend trading on those for sure. So Euro USD. So basically what you're looking for is these arrows on the left-hand side here. You can see these arrows on the left-hand side. These arrows are going to really help you out. When you have your mobile device open, these arrows are consistently changing. Green, red, green, red, green, red. Once you see a lot of one color, a lot of red, you'll know that that particular instrument is trending in a particular direction, up or down, right? You want to make sure that you identify these trends and then bet with the trend. The trend is always your friend. Remember that. If you buy or sell with the trend, sell mean you're going down, buy mean you're going up. You're most of the time going to be going into the money. So I'm going to show you two examples of me doing it here and cashing out with about, I think it was 25 and then 30 bucks in profit. So basically what I looked at here, I identified a trend with Euro USD. There was a whole lot of red coming up. I could see that Euro USD was just all red. So I checked out the graph here on Euro USD. You can see on my right-hand side, and there was a whole lot of red. Look at that. The thing is really pointing downward right now. I'm really jumping into a hot trend. All red, 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 red. Okay? So I open the trade and simply do that. You just click on the red button or the green button. Remember, green button means it's going up. Red button means it's going down. So it was going down, so I clicked on the red button. After adjusting my lot size to 0.15, which is what I recommend if you have a smaller account balance. So I clicked on the red button, clicked yes, and my position was open here. So if you ever want to see the current profit that you currently have on your mobile device, you simply swipe right or swipe left on the screen, and this little white image here will pop up. So I created a stop loss and take profit, which is simple to do. Like I said before, you just simply click on these three lines right here. Once you do that, you're going to see your kind of platform area open up right here. So once that's open, you simply click on orders. Once you click on orders, you're going to see your positions. You then modify your positions. You click on modify, and then you place your stop loss and your take profit. Again, this is the kind of confusing thing I was talking about before. So if this is not a little confusing for you, honestly, don't worry, because if you have the ability to consistently monitor it on your phone or your watch, you can just close the trade as soon as it's profitable, which is definitely doable. You just need to go into your orders here and see close position right beside modify. As soon as you see this number turn profitable and have enough money that you want to make, you simply close the position and away you walk with profits. So I had that, and now look, that's just how, like, look at the time right here. If we look at the time on the screenshots, it's 4:59, 5 o'clock, and then look at this at 5:34, about 34 minutes later, boom, up 22.8 bucks. So that was just in 30 minutes, just monitoring it on and off, kind of at work. I was just looking at it. Oh, so I'm up 22 bucks because my trend is still paying off. Close that position out, walk away with profit. So very simple enough, guys. It's super easy to do that. That's just one example of me doing it very well. So let's identify another one here. So the DE30, this was one I was doing the other day. As we can see here, look at this. The DE30 was a lot of green. It was going upward. I could tell that it was really starting to trend upward. So I bought it. I bought a 0.1 lot contract right here. You can see on the right-hand side. Now, let's see how this trade does. I'm looking at the trend. I found a trend going upward. I pressed the green button after adjusting my lot size, and here's my position right here, right? 0.1 lots. It's a buy position. Because I just opened it up, it's a little negative. That's what happens. It's no problem. And now watch my screenshots on the top right-hand side here. So watch the time. So still moving along a bit. I put my stop loss and take profit in, and we're now a couple minutes ahead. I'm up $4. Okay, see my profit right here? I'm up $4. I could close the position, but I decided to hold on. Now I'm up to 9.68, right? You can see at 3:01 here. So in just 1 minute, my trade went from 4.15 to 9.68. Now let's keep moving along. So now just a minute later, it's up at 15.22. Now it's up at 22.14. A few minutes later, it's at 24.08. Now it's at 29.06. And just like that, I cash out at 24.97 and walk home with about 25 bucks in profit. It actually had gone up to about 31.28, but I didn't close it out in time. So I walked away from that trade with 25 bucks in profit. That was basically about 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes. That I was able to make. Oh, no, sorry. This is actually a totally different trade. So here I actually walked away with 31.28. This was a different trade I actually did again on the DE30 that I managed to walk away with 24.97. You can see here the open time was June 30th, 10:24, and this is 10:26. So this is just 2 minutes later, and it was 25 bucks. So like that, guys, that's all we have for today. I think that probably should speak for itself. You can see here that at xSocial and xMobile are a very simple method of making very fast profit, and without even doing much, monitoring your mobile device. People are on their mobile device all day, every day. Now you can be on your mobile device making money all day, every day. So just like that, guys, those are 3 real examples of me doing it. You can see it's me taking screenshots of my account on my phone. This is not some tomfoolery. This is not editing. This is true. This all happened on my personal phone. So this is while I was prepping for the webinar, I was trading on my own account, making money. So guys, that's about it for us today. I really hope that you guys from this webinar have learned a thing or two and can understand the ability of quickly making profit when it comes to xSocial and xMobile. If you are interested in moving forward, I definitely recommend doing it right away. We do have a course that's being offered right now, the Master Apprenticeship course that I'm sure you've heard about, and it's actually being offered at a discount this month if you move fast, because it's going to come out on August 15th. So early registration is now open for that. So if you're interested in learning more, That's a massive course. I think it's got 40 modules. It's absolutely huge, and it's being offered at a discount if you guys jump on before it's launching on August 15th. So having said that, guys, thank you so much for coming out today. I really hope you guys learned a thing or two. Have yourself a fantastic day, and make sure to message your account managers about moving forward with us, because we're here to make you money, and we hope you guys are too. Okay, all the best, and have a great night.